frustration in human behavior.
In psychology, frustration is a common emotional response to opposition related to anger, annoyance, and disappointment. Frustration arises from the perceived resistance to the fulfillment of an individual's will or goal and is likely to increase when a will or goal is denied or blocked.
We feel frustrated if na-encounter naton is diri naton plano. Like, diri naton makuha it aton na karuyag. We feel anger or frustrated about it.
3 basic form of conflict. 1. Interpersonal conflict.
This type of conflict occurs between individuals or groups of people. It can arise due to differences in opinions, values, beliefs, or goals. Interpersonal conflicts can occur in various settings, such as personal relationships, workplaces, or communities.
Maaari tayong magkaroon ng positibo at negatibong epekto. Sa positibong panig, ito ay nagdudulot ng mas malalim na pagkaunawa, paglutas ng mga isyu. Maaari rin itong mag-promote sa ating creative pag pinagsama ang ibang perspektive. Gayunpaman, kung hindi maayos ang pangangasiwa, ito ay maaring magresulta ng pinsalang relasyon, paglabag ng produktibidad at emosyonal na kahirapan.
2. Intrapersonal conflict.
Intrapersonal conflict refers to the conflict that arises within an individual. It is a psychological conflict that occurs when a person experiences contradictory thoughts, emotions, or desires. This conflict can be related to decision-making, self-doubt, or internal struggles.
3. Intergroup conflict.
Intergroup conflict occurs between different groups or teams. It can rise due to competition for resources, power struggle, or different in ideologies. Intergroup conflict can occur within organizations, communities, or even on a global scale.
Ang intergroup conflict ay nagaganap sa pagitan ng iba't ibang grupo. Maaaring magkaroon ito dahil sa kompetisyon o mga labanan sa kapangyarihan, mga pagkakaiba ng mga idea.
Coping mechanism.
This refers to the strategies and behaviors that individuals use to manage stress, emotions, and difficult situation. Coping mechanisms are conscious and intentional effort to deal with challenges and can vary from person to person. These mechanisms aim to reduce the negative impact of stressors and promote emotional
Coping
well-being.
mechanism is like an strategy na ginagamit naton para masolusyonan naton ang aton stress or negative emotion. Ini nga pamamaraan ay isa mahalaga nga ginagamit ng mga tao upang mabawasan ang negatibong epekto ng stress.
Defense mechanism.
Defense mechanisms are psychological strategies that individuals use to cope with or protect themselves from stressful or threatening situations. These mechanisms operate on an unconscious level and help to reduce anxiety or distress. Here are some common defense mechanisms.
Ini nga mechanism is ginagamit ito sa nga tawo to protect himself para hit mga stressful situation. Like for example is usa nga tawo is in denial about it iya problema. Ayaw niya nadiri siya nga i-solusyonan.
Common defense mechanism.
Denial. Refusing to acknowledge or accept a reality or truth that is difficult to handle. Ini naman is dawi naton tanggihan ito sa nga reality. Parang naiwas kita ha usa nga sitwasyon nga makuri para ha aton i-handle.
2. Repression. Pushing distressing thoughts or memories into the unconscious mind, making them inaccessible to conscious awareness.
For example, a young child is bitten by a dog. Then later, nagkamay dahiya severe phobia of dogs but have no memories of when or how this fear originated. So, an iya distressing memories isa ginkada niya unconscious mind niya. So, di iya gin kalimtan iton. kaya nawawarayan kita in memory about ito na event. Number 3 is projection. Attributing one's own unacceptable thought, feelings, or motive to other. Projection is like placing a blame to other. Like for example, a surgeon is nagkasala hiya didahan operasyon. But instead na salaon niyan iya kalugaringon is sinala niya ang mga nurses for not doing their job properly. For rationalization, creating logical explanation or justification for one's behavior or feelings, often to avoid taking responsibility or facing the true reason. For example is you failed the test because di ka karuyag hit imo teacher. Pero ang matuod nga rason is di ka talaga nag-study about the subject. 5. Displacement. Redirecting emotions or impulses from their original target to a less threatening or safer target. Displacement. For example, pinagbuntungan ka ng galit ng boss mo sa office nyo, then pag uwi nyo sa bahay is pinagbuntungan mo rin ng galit yung family member mo. In conclusion, trina-transfer natin ang negative emotion from one person to another related to us. And the common is to our husband or wife. 6. Sublimation. Channeling or unacceptable urge or impulses into socially acceptable activities or outlets. Like for example, a woman who recently went through a breakup may channel of her emotion into a home improvement project. Meaning, tinutuon naton it aton pansin ha mga ibang na bagay para matransform naton it aton anxiety or emotion into more useful, admissible, or productive outlet. Regression. Reverting on an earlier stage of development or adapting childlike behavior to cope the stress or anxiety. For example, a nurse is nagka-error kapag hatag hin medical. Then instead of facing his problem, nag-start na lang siya mag-cry. Like for example is, a nurse is nagka-error han paghatag hin medication. Instead of responsibility, isa nagtuok na lahiya. Because regression is also means an immature way of responding to stress or go backward. 8. Intellectualization. Overemphasizing rational thinking and focusing on fact and logic to avoid dealing with emotion. Intellectualization is like thinking hausa na bagay intellectually. Kumbaga diri gini-involve it emotion. I-emphasize is the fact ngan logic. Like example, kung an imo fiancé is nakipag-break ha imo, instead of being emotional, i-analyze mo kung kay ano ang iyo relasyon is naruba. Ngan kung kay ano ang imo fiancé is nakipaghiwalay. 9. Reaction formation. Expressing thoughts, feelings, or behavior that are the opposites of one's true feelings to avoid anxiety or conflict. This mechanism naman is about the way iti ba makipag-encounter ha usa nga tawo na diri nira karuyag. But instead nga mag-react ka in negative way hito na one person, instead you hide your true feelings for being nice to that person. 10. Suppression. Intentionally avoiding or pushing away distressing thoughts, feelings, or memories from conscious awareness. Ang suppression naman is ginagamit hit usa nga tawo para malunasan ira mga negative thoughts or emotions. For example, you lied to your friends, then you feel guilty. Nagbuwag ka because of the reason, but still you decide to talk to that person, to that friends, as soon as possible. Para mawara it imo pagiging guilty hito na usa na person to your friend.